All right, hello everyone. I am back. I'm not quite done with metallics yet. I really loved the 3 that I did already, and I wanted to do a puddle swipe pour with them. So I'm going to pour the puddles. I think what I'm gonna do is save the black to go in between the puddles. And then I am using just gold, copper, and bronze again. And I have a couple more ideas for the puddle pour swipe, some different compositions. And my mind has been racing with all kinds of ideas. So, all right, I'm gonna get started. I think I want to start with my gold, actually. These are my Floetrol Gloss Medium combination here. I am going to swipe. I debated swipe. Oh, I still might. Ooh, what was that? What are you? What are you? Gotcha. I still might swipe. I'm trying to decide if I want to swipe with white or black. I can't finish my sentences. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I'll try one of each. I hope everyone had a nice holiday, and they have more holiday coming up. And I would like to know, actually, let me know in the comments if you set any intentions for your new year. So I think for me, I would like to obviously continue making art. I would like to grow my business a little bit more. And I would like to get a little bit healthier and start exercising a little bit more, to be honest. Okay, so I think the black I'm just gonna do in between these. My black I feel like is a little bit thinner. I don't think it's gonna make that much of a difference. I don't know. I'll find out. Yeah, but definitely for the new year, I want to take a little bit more care of myself. Okay, I actually ended up adding a lot of black. So I'm gonna see first. I do feel like I want more gold. All right. So I'm gonna swipe through these like I normally do. And then I don't even think I'm gonna stretch this out anymore. I think I'm gonna leave it as is. Now, see this part right here is really pretty with the black, but I'm gonna give it a try with white first. And then I do have some black over there. But that black is really pretty in there. Like I said, I might just do this one in white, and then my next one maybe I'll do in black. I'm gonna pour this on. All right. Gonna come on through here, lightly get it started. Swipe on down through there. Was white the right decision? I don't know. This corner will go off, so I'm not like super concerned about it. This is really pretty, but I would like that to kind of come on in through there. Kind of like this the way that it is. The more that you create your designs before you stretch it out, the more it will look like it was always there to begin with. You can always go back in and add things, but sometimes you run the risk of them just not quite looking like they belong. That is so pretty. Okay, I think I'm gonna do one swoop. Y'all, I think my palette knife is bent a little bit. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So I start at the edges because there's always a little bit of the thicker part of the paint that gets caught there, and I know that most times I can just kind of dip that part off. I really like this. I think I feel like maybe just one little swipe through here. Through that corner, and then oh my goodness. I really like what's going on here, and I don't think I want to do anything with that. It's going to be a pretty big predominant focal point there, but I think that I will like what happens there. I do think I want a little bit more down on that end. Oh, the gold. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, all right. I said I wasn't gonna do it, but I think I'm gonna do the tiniest little swipe right through. There. And then I can just carry that on up through there. Okay, it is time to stretch this out. Super pretty, and I think I am gonna do one. Every time I make a video, I end up getting another idea for another video, and that's great for content creation, let me tell you. But it all comes from my indecisiveness of what to do on the one painting. All right, so I think I'm gonna tilt to this corner first. Ooh, before I do that, I do have some air bubbles. And I do see a little lump . Okay. Oh my goodness. This is stunning. Now I'm going to stretch back down this way. And then back across this, because that corner up there is my favorite corner. I do not want it to go all the way off. And then I'm going to stretch it back and make that a predominant part. Oh, y'all. I will get my corners later. I will touch up that side later. I am so happy with this. The only thing, And there's this, okay, I'm not gonna drip. I'm not gonna drip. This is that one little piece that I added right through there. I'm not gonna say I wish that I had something right here, but this like block of color. But you know what? I'm really, maybe that should be my New Year's resolution, to not fiddle with my paintings. Yeah, I'm leaving it. I think it's a great composition the way it is. All right, I'll show you the wet result. Okay, here it is. I feel like that's like a snake head or something. So here is my favorite part. And I like the white. I feel like that added the right kind of lightness to it. I am gonna swipe with black and see how that does as well, but I am super happy with this. Here it is this way. And see, I knew that that part was gonna stretch out, but I think it's just the perfect amount. All right, I'll show you what this one dries like. I honestly cannot be happier with this piece. You will never be able to get how bright and shiny it is on camera. How many details there are. I mean, the metallics just aren't showing up on camera. I'll back up to the other side. And I think the orientation, let me see if I can get you this way. Look at that. I love it. But let me show you the other orientation. So there's this way, which I do like with the stripe coming down, or this way. But I mean, look at that. I just love it. So you can let me know orientation 1, 2, or 3. I'm thinking 2 is my favorite. You can rewind and take a look at them all. But that section that I was worried about, I think it just goes great with the lacing right there. I am really happy with this one. I had to turn it this way one more time. And I feel like, I don't know, this is how I made it. And this composition looks really pretty too, with all the lacing on this side and all the lacing on this side. But there you have it. So I definitely think I'm gonna do the black swipe with this color set and see how that does too. But I am in love with this one. All right, hope that you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.